Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are on mute.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
I hope all of you are doing well.
Yes, ma'am.
All tests are
Yes,
going well.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we will do the revision of types of computer. Okay. We have taken this chapter
Ma'am, I think
twice.
it is types of software or types of computer.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Software.
Sometimes
Software. So many classes. I get confused which class going on, with which chapter. All are similar. Somewhere computer, some is Microsoft PowerPoint, somewhere software is going on. Okay. So let us see other children. They also come. Children, I'll take attendance in the last, okay? Because all the time I waste my time in taking attendance. I'll take a screenshot of my
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I'll take a screenshot of my screen so I can record who has come or who has not come.
ma'am, until the class starts, can I put my video on off as I'm eating my breakfast?
Of course you can.
Thank you, ma'am.
Aditya, open your camera. Okay. Can you tell me what is a software? Is anyone can tell me?
Ma'am,
Is anyone want to tell me what is a software?
software is a collection of programs.
Ishan, I think you are saying from the book.
Never mind, but it's a collection of programs. It is
Ma'am, I
okay.
think
But it is not
software
all.
is a
It is
system.
instructions. Basically, software is a instructions which we are written in high level language, which we can understand in English, right?
Ma'am, software is a system that controls all the activities of the computer.
Yes. Adya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. What you were telling about software?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was telling that software is a system that controls all the activities of the computer.
That is the operating system. Operating system controls the overall activity of all the computer, and software means the program, the operating system which is made by with the help of software. Okay, so that is that. Only 11 participants have come. Let all other, at least 20 will join, then I start my class, okay? Okay, Ishan, can you tell me about operating system?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, try.
Ma'am, I think that operating system is a system which helps the computer to work.
Have to work.
Yes, ma'am.
Operating system is the main thing in the computer. Until unless you don't have an operating system, you can't work. So operating system is also a set of instructions which helps you to manage your computer. Means it opens your computer, it boots your computer, it also gives you a platform to work on computer, okay? And whatever you are saving, whatever you are sending information through email and everything is controlled by only operating system, right? It is a
Okay,
main
ma'am.
program of the computer. Yes, Kunal. Kunal, are you listening to me? Kunal is listening to me. Open your camera. You are not allowed to close your camera, beta. Ha, Kunal, can you tell me about MS Word? What type of software it is? You are working in MS Word. Every day you are writing some of the other things in the computer using MS Word. If you want to type some letter, if you want to make project, so you are using MS Word. So what type of software it is? Kunal, I'm asking you. Where you have gone?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Morning, ma'am.
Kunal, where are you? Tell me fast.
Good morning, ma'am.
Don't hide yourself. Just a simple question I asked. What do you understand by Word, MS Word? What type of program it is?
Ma'am, it is an application software.
Yes, very good. It is a application software which is designed to do for some specific work. Means anything regarding documentation, you have to use your excuse.
कल जो हमसे डाला है उस पे प्रोफाइल सीम 11 बजे गया है और आज जो जूम मीटिंग वो सही है 1 बजे लिखा है उसमें जूम मीटिंग में
कल कहाँ मैंने डाला है?
कल मैं जैसे tomorrow Zoom meeting will be conducted on computer, ये नहीं डाला है मैसेज.
Okay, children. So just now I have got 24 participants. Now I'm going to start my revision. So children, I have prepared one PowerPoint presentation. So I want to share with you. I'll share it after 5 minutes. Let's wait for some more children. Then I will start my work.
Ma'am, have you taken the attendance?
Yes, children.
Ma'am, am I audible to you?
Yes, you are audible. Okay, so children, today's topic is types of software, and just now I am not taking any attendance. I'll take it in the end. So don't leave your class until unless I'll say you leave. Okay? Right? So
Okay,
now,
ma'am.
I'm going to share my screen. I have made a little bit small PowerPoint presentation for you, and I'll discuss with that. And if you have any queries, you can ask. And even I'll also ask some questions with you in between. So try to give your answer. Right, children? Is it okay? So I'm
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
share my screen. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So the topic for today's revision class is types of software. Okay. And children, because we are doing PowerPoint presentation these days in our latest topic, so you try to see how the PowerPoint presentation can be made using different type of animation and all, because I have not used several animation and transition in this PPT because I had no time, and I want to focus on my only this chapter. Okay. So the first requirement of your PowerPoint presentation is that it should always start with your what is your main topic. Okay. And then you continue with that. Okay. So the topic is types of software.
Camera नहीं on कल.
Okay. Now I am continuing. In between, children are coming, so I have to admit all.
26.
Okay, so what is software? So just now I asked the question with the children, what is a software? So few children have given me the answer, what is a software? So software, as we know, that software is a collection of programs, and even you can say software is a main thing in the program means all the instructions we give with the help of software only. Until unless you don't have a software, your hardware will not work. Hardware means the machine, the CPU, the keyboard, the mouse, everything responds with the help of only software. Okay. Oh, these children are disturbing in between. That's moving not. So software is a collection of programs that are stored and run on the computer hardware and helps user to work on the computer. It cannot be touched or seen. Touched or seen means you will say, ma'am, all the instructions I can see in the computer. Yes, you can see, but the program which you are typing, you can see. The operating program, the system program, you can't see, which is stored on the chip. Computer microprocessors chip. Okay, so many instructions are stored on that. So types of software are of two types: system software and application software. So what are the system software? Operating system, device drivers. Device drivers means if you want to attach web camera, if you want to attach microphone, if you want to attach printer, so you need a software program to run. It's not that you bring the device and attach to your computer or laptop and it will start working. It will ask you some software to run, installing software. So that is device driver. Utility programs. What are the utility programs? Utility programs means for your backup programs, for your antivirus programs, all these device management programs, these are come under the utility programs. Then application program. This is the important. Basically, we work with the application softwares. These system software which comes installed with the help of with the computer only, but application software we are working on these. Tailored software means the programs which we use, and even we can make our application program according to our need. And packaged software like MS Word, PowerPoint, these are called packages. Means if you want to work for any document, you use MS Word. If you want to, for some calculation, you can use MS Excel. If you want to represent your some graphic softwares like or you want to present your presentation, so you can use MS PowerPoint. So these are called packaged software.
Something.
And then utility software. Yes, beta, ask.
Ma'am, in the package software, as you told for MS Word, so ma'am, if we download MS Word package, so ma'am,
No,
it will come
because it comes
Word,
package means what is the package? Have you heard about the package? In general life also we say, na, this is a package.
Ma'am, the zip packages where we will go or something.
Yes,
like that.
means you have to buy MS Office. So automatically you will get all the facility which is provided in the MS Office, like MS Word, MS Access, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, MS Paint, all this, it is a package of what? MS Office, right?
I'm to ask one thing.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, that first I have Word 2019 and PowerPoint 2019. When I deleted my Word 2019, when I downloaded Word 2010, it became, ma'am, the PowerPoint also became 2010. Ma'am, why?
2010 it became?
Ma'am, last time in the test, it was coming 2010. That's why I deleted my 2019.
Beta, because wait, don't worry, don't get confused about this with 2010 and 19, 16. Last time also I told, because most of the children are having a 2010 in their computer, and also book is based on 10. So that is why I am also using 10, but most of the work I am doing on 360. This PowerPoint presentation I have made in Microsoft 360, right? Because now every one of you understand 2010, 365, sorry, not 360. This Microsoft 10 is obsolete. Now you are not getting any updates. If you make some mistake or something like that, you will not get updates on 2010. So better you go for next version. You can install in your computer 2013 or 19, okay? And all the only little bit options are changed, right? Means if I am asking something, this is where do you get the clip art? So in the newer version, you will not find newer clip art. There is no clip art version, but it is with some other name. If you write that with the name, you will not get, don't think you will not get the marks. Understood, children? So everyone try to use 13 and 19, okay? Because book is based on 10, that is why I take the 10. I have also installed 10 also in my computer, right? Okay. So, okay. So these are the icons of the application software. Now I'm moving. Yes, operating systems. So what is the operating systems?
Ma'am, operating system operates the computer.
Yes, it is a master of computer.
It controls all the input and output functions.
Yes, yes. Means it is a master of computer. Like a head in your family, your father or mother holds everything in the house. They look after each and everything, that you get all the proper facilities. What is less, what is they have to bring, right? So everything is done by the operating system. So an operating system needed to operate a computer. It controls overall activities of computer. It acts like as link between the user and the hardware and enables them to work together, right? So this way, it's giving some trouble. It's not moving. So like MS-DOS, earlier when the computer was started, we used the operating system MS-DOS, MS Office disk operating system. Then Windows has come, SP 7, 8, 10. So these are the version of Windows. Then Unix is also an operating system which we use where we join lots of computer together, like in some computer lab and all. Okay, Mac OS, everyone knows Apple's operating system is Mac OS, are the example of some popular operating systems. So this way you can see here. So this blue line, blue is showing Mac OS, those who are using. Orange in the map, it shows that they are using Android phones. So this way, these are the important icons of the operating system. This is the Android, this is Mac OS, Windows, Unix, all these. So functions of the operating system. Now coming to the functions of operating system. So what is the function of the operating system? So everyone knows it's because it is the main, it is the master of the computer, and it operates.
It has many responsibilities.
Yes, all the responsibility, you can say each and every responsibility of the computer on is the head of operating system. So it manages device management. It checks when you open the computer. Sometimes you see if any port is loose or something like that, then it will say check, keyboard is not present, printer is not present. If you have joined, other if you have not installed, then it will not say, right? So all the input and output device it manages. So device management, then it checks
File
the memory management. Memory management means, so if your computer sometimes gives this thing, or your mobile says your delete some data from your device because there is no space, or some other type of instructions you get in your mobile or in your computer, or sometimes your system is very slow, you are downloading some picture and it taking lot of time, right? So it shows that there is a how to means it checks.
Defragmentation.
Yes, and it tells that how much memory you have used in your computer.
And
it
as
also,
the memory fails in the computer becomes slow day by day.
yes, day by day. So it always keeps giving you message. So the message which comes, bhai aur to koi de nahi raha hai, it is given by the operating system, because operating system is managing everything. So it's giving you instructions. Now you have to do this, delete some files or install more extra memory in your computer or in your mobile, run software. So all the softwares which we installed in the computer, that also it helps to run. Then processor management. So what is the processor management? Means working by the processor, means it tells the processor what work it has to do. Like printer, agar aapne, you are working, you are typing and you are giving the printout for also that, you are sending the email. So means each and every component of the computer or laptop or the mobile is working with the help of only operating system. Then file management. File management, it also checks the operating means how to create, copy, transfer, store the files on the computer. If you are storing, then suppose C drive is full, then it says please share your file in the some other drive. And even also it says please make a sections of your memory this drive, so you can keep your file safe. So these things are done by the operating system. Then security, it also provides the security to your computer. It says please put the password. So the passwords, suppose now these days, basically we use in mobiles, we use finger patterns, we use face recognition, we use some other type of typing password. So these things are provided by with the help of operating systems. Now we'll see what are the types of operating system. So single user operating system, where we only one person is using. Just now I am using my laptop, so I am a single user using the operating system in a single use. So I am a single user. Then multi-user, when you go in your MindSpark lab, you see many computers are there and you think your computer is working with your CPU. No, it is controlled by only one single computer in your lab. Okay, so that is multi-user computer. Then we have another type of computer,
Multitasking.
So multitasking computer, wait,
Ma'am, it can do it can open many tabs at one time and do
Yes.
many.
So while working on Google, you
allows
also see, na children, you want to send the mail, you want to see the forms also, you want to go and give some other video also. So these things you can do with very easily with the help of operating system. So single user, multi-user and multitasking. Now, utility programs. What are the utility programs? Utility software perform specific tasks. Are you able to see task?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay, usually to manage computer, its devices and its programs. So these programs assist in the smooth functioning of the computer system and help it to perform better. Like suppose I told na, ki it is a master. So master's work is what? He will manage each and everything in the house. Suppose I am talking about our father in a home, but he also needs some help na, ki Adya will help his father in keeping the things studying, and some other thing also, or mother is also expecting that some girls help in the kitchen or boys help in the kitchen, right? Sometimes, not all the work. So these type, same thing with the operating system also, it also needs some utility programs to make the computer safe and more helpful in working. So what are these? Let us see. Some is network utility. So network utility, children, when these days, as just now you can see, we are all working with the help of network only. If we don't have a good bandwidth, we can't work, right? So network help us, it checks the network connectivity and configuration of computer. If sometime it says na, ki your bandwidth is very low, so your mail is not going, or it is queued, or like that, these type of message you get. So it is the help, it is done by the help of network utility. Now file manager, or so backup I have taken. So backup, so what is the backup? It also tells that please take a backup file of your work. What backup file of your work means? You can save some important, sometimes you know, when we are working with something.
Ma'am, sometimes the work get lost.
Yes, get lost due to some accidental or due to some virus attack. Sometimes what happened when I had started these computer classes in the month of March, what happened? I just wanted to clean my CPU, and I don't know what happened, and one wire was broken, and then I lost my all data. When I got it made, then my most of the data was lost, but thankfully I had saved it on my Google. Okay, so I got all the maximum files I retrieved back. So it is must to keep your important files backup.
And my sister deleted WhatsApp, and when we downloaded it, it said backup, and it takes some time, and now it shows all the messages and etc. and all the.
Yes, so there are many things that from where you can take your backup. You can take it on the pen drive, or you can save in the Google Drive, or you can take on the computer only, make the sections A, C, D, E drive you have seen now. So if any one drive crashes, then the other can be saved. Okay, so this backup facility also helps to. Now, scanning and compression. So what is the compression? Compression means when you send so many files together, suppose these days you are sending projects to your ma'am. So sometimes it says by file is too big, it can't go. Right? So you need to zip your files. If you have many pictures and time it going beyond the memory management, so you can compress your file, you can zip your files. So that is called compression, means making the size. Suppose if your file is of 50 MB, then this software helps you, compression utility software helps you to make your file compressed, means make it little 20 MB say. Right?
Ma'am, I was emailing ma'am the work of project video 2. It was showing the file can't be more than 25 MB.
Yes, because we cannot send more than 25 MB with through the email. And sometimes we are using videos and pictures, so it.
And I will compress it.
Yes.
My father give it to me. I will compress it.
Yes. Then you need a compression. Zip your file. Okay. Then scanning.
Ma'am, that's why a teacher says sometimes that we can create a link of our video and then send it on Gmail.
Yes, that because links can be easily shared through the Google Drive. Okay, scanning. So everyone knows what is a scanning. Scanning is done by antivirus at utility, and this utility provides protection to your computer against virus and all.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is also very important because we are on the computer network. So it is must that you should scan your you
Yes,
should
ma'am.
install the antivirus program on your computer. Good antivirus software. Okay. Then okay. Next is
Language processor.
disk management. So disk management, same I told, not different drives you create in your file, and it types like this. There is a disk, the plates in the hard disk. So it manages all the work which you save. It finds the place and save your work. Then file manager. So this it helps to manages the file in your computer. So all these comes under the file manager. So this is the work of utility programs. Now language processor. So language processors, children, it is means everyone knows that computer understand only the language of zeros and one. Computer, whatever you are seeing on the computer doesn't understand all this, or each and everything, even single picture or dot is also translated in zero and ones language. So the language which we understand, that is a high level language, and the computer which understand, that is called low level language or a machine language. Okay. And there is a one interpreter in between, means who will translate. When you see now our president or our prime minister goes in other country like China and all, there one person sits in between and it translates. He translates what our president is saying or prime minister is saying to the China in front of China president or something. So who will translate? So there are three types of translator work in computer, that is assembler, compiler, and interpreter. So the work is only different. Everyone's work is same. They convert the program into machine language. So assembler does what? Assembler assembles the program and it makes the program it makes the code, small code, and then translate. Compiler does what? It first take each and all data and then at once it translates. And then interpreter, what you speak at once, it as soon as you stop, you give the full stop, it will convert the language. So this is the work of interpreter, compiler, and assembler. Okay. So preprocessor, compiler, assembler. So these are the three main things. Okay. And assembler is a translator that converts the code written in assembly language. So when you go in higher classes, then you will come to know what is the assembly language. So general purpose applications, software packages, Word is MS Word. If you want to type any letter, if you want to write any application, or you want to write something about your project, you will use the package application program, that is MS Word. Then if you want to do any mathematical thing, then you will use MS Excel. Then database management, MS Access. Okay. Then presentation software, we use MS PowerPoint. These MS Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, these are the application programs. And if you want to do and you want to make any logo, or you want to make any drawing, or you want to make some other thing on the big scale, like these days you have got many competitions and also, then you will use desktop publishing software like Photoshop, Corel Draw, MS Office, 3D Paint, all these comes under the desktop publishing software. Then graphics software also Paint, 3D Paint, here also you can use. Okay. And then multimedia software, so Windows Media Player, and whatever we are listening from the computer, whether you are listening my voice also, that is also coming through the Windows Media Player. Okay. So these are the different type of a special purpose application program. And what is the customized software? As such as tally, busy, reservation system, payroll, billing system, etc. Like children, customized software which we design for our need. Suppose in your computer, in your school, you are paying your fees and then you get the fee bill. So your school's fee will not work in other school. Okay. Or you go to Big Bazaar and there you buy some items and get the bill, and so Big Bazaar customized software will work in Big Bazaar only. There's may the program is same, but if somebody Big Bazaar wants and go and use in Spencer, because there is what company name, logo, everything is there on the bill, right? So that has to be changed. So these type of programs are called customized software. Though they are a database programs, but they are made by they are asked to make for some specific work. Now, difference between system software and application software. System software is a type of program installed to control and operation of computer system and runs the application. So all things I have discussed, you go through with your book and read. Okay, now coming on this, operating system, OSS. It is a special type of software installed by communication service provider to operate, monitor, analyze, and manage computer or the telephone network system on the client's computer. They are also called operation support system. It is little hybrid, not for your use, thus, but just you understand that these type of programs are there. When you go in the higher classes, then you come to know very easily what they are talking about. Now, fragmentation. Fragmentation occurs when the hard disk does not find contiguous memory to store large files. Like suppose just now I said na ki you sometimes you send the these days you are sending the projects to your teacher, so you want to store something like that to you, because these are the very typical things inside the computer and which is managed by the operating system. So sometimes in the memory, when you go in the higher classes, then you'll come to know ki how the memory management is done in the computer system. It is divided into different sections. Here A, B, C, D, it shows that these are the disk drives. Okay, so here you just with the picture just understand. If it is not getting in the one line to understand, that is called fragmentation. Okay,
Ma'am, sometimes in the memory, some small spaces are not filled, but together they have a large space, but not continuously. So,
yes.
ma'am, the bigger file doesn't get stored over there and says you can compress the file, or you can either add on memory or something like that.
Yes, yes. So when a file is stored on a disk, the operating system searches for the available free block on the disk and stored it. This example is given in the book. And defragmentation, fragmented data needs to be rearranged and consolidated into one contiguous area of the disk free space. So that is called defragmenting. Okay, so now I'm ending this my slide from here. Okay, now yes, children. Now, if you have any question, you can ask.
Ma'am, in the tomorrow's test, the application-based question will come.
You will get the two tests, one on one subjective and one objective. Subjective you will get as on paper, right? That is a part of application software, skill application. And objective you will get the recall questions and comprehension and analysis.
Ma'am, the same type that happened the last time in computer test.
Huh? What?
Ma'am, the same format that was in the last computer test.
What you have got?
No, ma'am, I'm asking, ma'am, you will, ma'am, the test will come in the same format as it comes in the last time?
Yes, same format. First, you will get the Google form. In the Google form, you will get the objective questions. Do it carefully, children. Don't be in so hurry, okay? Do it carefully, read your questions properly, and then mark your answer. And then subjective paper that you will get as a written paper. So you have to write the answers. Don't copy the questions if you don't want to copy, okay? Because you just write your questions to save your time, and do write your name, roll number, etc., and try to send within time. Okay, children. Now, children, I am again asking. Suppose you want to create some drawing, okay, or you want to create logo of some company. So, which type of software you will use?
Ma'am, Corel Draw.
Corel Draw is a program
Graphic
name.
software.
Which is
Ma'am, graphic software like
graphic
Paint
software.
or something.
Okay, if you write Corel Draw or you write this graphic software, you will get marks. But if basically the answer is graphic software, and then you just give a dash in the graphic software which program you will use, right? You can write any of your choice, Photoshop, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, 3D Paint, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, है ना? So this type of you can write, right? Okay, now if suppose you are working on computer system, and every day you are getting some different type of messages on your computer that do this, do that, now this file is deleted. So what type of trouble, some trouble is coming in your computer? It is due to what?
Ma'am, the memory.
No.
The lack of memory.
No, not regarding memory. Some different messages like delete this file, delete
storage.
this
Ma'am,
file.
antivirus. Ma'am, antivirus.
Yes, means some virus problem is there. Okay, so you have to install what?
Ma'am, antivirus.
Antivirus program. in your computer. Antivirus program you need to install in your computer, because it shows sometimes it says that there is a very large memory, and sometimes when you are on net, especially when you have your net is open on the system, then it gives this type of messages. Okay, or okay, let me ask. Suppose I am making a very important project and I want to save, right? That it will not last forever. So what should I do?
Ma'am, we can use a backup system.
Yes, you can use backup facility. Yes, Pankudi, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I was also going to say backup facility.
Very good. Now, children, you ask your questions. 5 minutes I am giving, okay?
Ma'am, the test will be Google form or subjective?
Beta, every time it is with Google form and subjective both. In the evening, I will give the message. If you are not clear with that, just now also I am telling it, you have a 2 parts. One is through the Google form and one is your written. Okay, 5 questions you will get as a written. Okay, that is a skill application, and 2 skills will be tested through the Google form. Right? Is any doubt now?
Ma'am, have you uploaded any practice sheet or for tomorrow's test?
What, beta?
Ma'am, is there any practice sheet for tomorrow's test?
Ma'am has already shared the question paper with you. I'll share this my PowerPoint presentation on the GCR. You can see, and you can see the questions, answers which ma'am has given last time as through the Google form. You revise that. Actually, computer is working. Work on your computer and then you will get the practice itself. Right?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Haan, Tanmay?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, speak.
Ma'am, do we have to study fact files?
Study?
That is fact files which is given on site.
You have, yes, you have to do all these sites. One, let's know more. Like Vinod Dham is properly known as known his role in the development of Pentium processor. Father of Pentium, Charles W. Batchman received Turing's Award in 1970 for his outstanding contribution of database technology. Samuel Robinson founder Pro International, 1978, Micro Pro developed the word star. Okay. And software is huh?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I have one question.
Yes, please. Speak.
Ma'am, what is work of backup?
Backup helps us to save our work from some accidental loss. Or you always, whatever you are working, you are saving your work, right? One, you are saving
Yes.
in your hard disk. Suppose just now I create my file and I will save my file. Okay. Suppose I'm typing in the MS Word. I'm typing one letter. Okay. And I will save it with the name Preeti, right? That is saved on my hard disk. So backup does what? You save your work some on other platform also, like in Google Drive or Pen Drive or some other, if you have a 3-4 drives in your computer also, so you try to save your work, some important but not all, each and everything, right, which you think which is most important. Otherwise, if you are making all the work duplicate, so what happens? Your computer memory will get full at once. Sometimes you think your some birthday pic is very important for you, you want to keep it for long, forever with you, right? These things are most important for us now, or some birthday certificate, some your birthday certificate or like that, so those photocopies and all you want to save, so you save it on some other device also, right?
Yes,
So that
ma'am.
is,
Ma'am, my photo of last year is also saved in Google Drive.
Google Drive, Google Photos, there you can save. Okay, so this is called a backup. Okay, children, so now I'm just taking your attendance fast because I have to go and take a class 5B also, which is in at 12. Now I'm give you attendance and then you can leave. I hope everything is clear to you, and if you are not any doubt, you can call me in the evening. Okay. If you are studying with your book, read your all exercises from your back of your book also, in between also. And I hope everything is easy to you. You can do it very easily. Okay. Pankudi,
Present, ma'am.
Pranav, those who are saying present, they can leave. Okay. Pranav.
Yes,
Pranav.
ma'am.
Okay. Samriddhi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Shreya. Shubh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Vamika. Vamika is there?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can leave. Yashi. Adya can leave. Adya Sarashwat can leave. Anshul can leave. Karthik can leave. I have taken their attendance. Amog.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Amog?
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yes,
Bye, beta. Amog. Yes. Okay. Bye, beta. Amog. Yashi.
Thank you, ma'am. Goodbye.
Yashi, you can leave.
Ma'am.
Avni. Avni Bajpayee. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I can leave.
हाँ. Who? Icon का नाम तो बताओ.
Ma'am, Viraj Jain.
Viraj Jain, yes, you can leave. Viraj. Avni Bajpayee is there. Anushka Chaurasia is there. No. Divyansh Das, you can leave.
Present, ma'am.
Adya Gidia.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, leave. Shaurya Goyal. Shaurya Goyal. Shlok Gurnani.
Present,
Viraj.
ma'am.
Okay, Shlok Gurnani, you can leave. Arush Kaushal. Arush Kaushal.
Ma'am, Saksham Shah can leave.
Yes, Saksham can. Ilma.
Bye, ma'am.
Huh? Leave. Saksham can leave. Anushka Pandey is there? No. Arnav Pandey is there? Spandan. Pavaki. Adya. There. Parth Saxena. Parth Saxena. Tanmay, you can leave, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bilal Mohammed. Arna, you can leave, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Kunal, you can leave. Akshat Singh.
Okay.
Reyansh is there. Reyansh is there. Ishan Tiwari, you can leave, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Prachi can leave. Akshat Verma can leave.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Satvik Mishra can leave. Aditya Singh, you can leave, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye. And Prachi Tiwari, you can leave, beta. Yashi, you can leave. Shaurya, your full name is what, beta? Leave.